Hello and
This is already chicken.
we are in Mumbai right now, but you can see what Kim is wearing.
Hi,
You can see what Joel is wearing. You can see my bags.
Ooh,
So,
lovely, sexy bag.
Looking at this, I think you might have guessed where we are going. So after finishing with all the beaches, now it's time to go to the mountains and we're going to Himachal. Right now we are on our way to the airport, and from the airport we're going to go to Chandigarh.
We
have reached the airport and we have done the check-in and everything. Now I'm going to grab something to eat and then I'm going to go and wait for the flight. And it's raining right now in Bombay, and I just hope it's not raining over there in Himachal. We just want a little bit of snow, which I don't think we're going to get. Okay, anyway, let's have some kadak chai. Kadak chai. Finally in the flight, like, just delayed a bit, but
all ground person, please deplane. Cabin crew, close our doors, please.
We have reached the airport and now we are going to go by traveler to Manali. So we have booked a traveler. We booked this tour guide who has given us an itinerary and everything. So we're going to have an overnight journey in the traveler to Manali. And we finally reached Kasol. Don't know the temperature right now. What it must be? 3. Can you check? Yeah, so I couldn't shoot in the night because it was all dark. We came with this traveler. Meet this fellow. And this fellow you already know. The famous guy who's always there in all my videos. And how much is the temperature, Kel? And today we are staying at these camps. They're called Saanjh camps. How do you feel today? Do you feel like machawing more?
I can't deal with cold. Fuck. It's damn cold.
You have to be here for 10 days like this.
Chalega.
Let's go and check out the camps. It's like 3 to 4 degrees and we are in December, 4th of December. Where is it? This first one? Wow, we got a view just near the river. Hi. So it's like 8 degrees over here. It's not 4 degrees as I thought, but it feels like as if it's 2 and 3 degrees, and it's so cold. Like, I'm not used to this. That's why. See my hands. This is what happens to the hand. And now I'm going to wear my gloves. But yeah, the view, and we have the river Parvati flowing just near us. And these doggos. Show us your room.
I don't know my own room. I just
Put the light on. There has to be. There is a light. This is our welcome dogs. Welcome dogs. Wow. And this is how it is. I don't see any heater now, but I hope there is.
This is the room.
But if not, then I don't know.
This is the washroom.
This is how the washrooms are. Yeah. This is called Saanjh camp. But I mean, it's near the river, so that's nice. That other one there. Our camp.
Yes.
And we got a drone this time, which we are trying now for the first time.
Just make sure that the right, that if you're switching these two,
This is the trainer of the drone trainer.
you can't switch these two. Okay. That makes sense? You
Real
gotta switch
students.
these two. Okay, got it. Because one's clock.
We just finished having our breakfast and finally like the sun is out. But since we are down, like now it's like 10 o'clock and it's taking so long for the sun to hit over here. But slowly it's coming. So once the sun is out, I think it'll be better. Otherwise it's freezing cold. But it looks so beautiful and so pretty here, and we are right near Parvati River and it's so beautiful. And the best part that I like is when those clouds, when they come down like that, it looks so nice. I don't know, we are trying to go to the riverside now. And there's a slippery kind of a path, but I think we can do it. We'll do it.
Yeah, we'll do it. अपन सब करेंगे.
Go slowly.
Baap view. Baap. Fatheristic view. Machao.
So we have come down to Parvati River in the Parvati Valley. Don't go right down. Yeah, because they see the warning board. These people don't listen. Rizal, don't go down. Yeah, so some people like them, like they don't listen, so you're not supposed to go down near the river. But these people, you know, they don't understand and they can't read signboards. They think they own the river, so they are gone. But I'm not going to go. I'm going to sit here.
This way people we enjoy more.
So I'm going to just go and sit over here. So these are crazy people.
I thought we were going that side.
She thinks we are going that side, so she wants to like cross and go that side. And this is such a pretty forest.